Hi guys, welcome to our brand new card making quarterly release. I'm Jamie and today we're going to brew up the season with some heartwarming cards inspired by cozy drinks and adorable gnomes. So grab your favorite latte or cocoa and let's get started. I have my latte and it's time to get our creative juices flowing. So I'm going to share all the new products in this release. I'll have all the links in the description box for you so you can head on over and take a look, grab your favorites. I do have, I think 10 I wanted all bundles, so I made a listing with everything that's in the release in one listing. You do get a savings for that bundle, so if you're interested in that, check that listing out. So I have some cards I created. I'm going to post in some of the design team's cards that they have done. So let's get started with the stamp set. So this one here is called Drink Happy Thoughts. It features these adorable gnomes popping out of these coffee cups. They're decorated, so cute. There's cinnamon sticks in 2 of those cups. There's a doll and a sucker in that one. This one's holding a star wand. There's a sucker in the background. This one has a little reindeer in the background and a sucker. The sentiments read, drink happy thoughts, 'tis the season, and hot chocolate weather. There is a coordinating die available, which will cut out the inside of those handles on those mugs and all the sentiments. There's also a little snowflake in there if you want to decorate the background of your card. Let me show you the card that I created using the cute gnome. So here's the card. I colored him with the Copics. I added little stickles on his wand and on the little snowflake there. For my paper, I used the Brewing It Up paper collection, which I'll share shortly. The stamp, 'Tis the Season, is also from the stamp set. I used a little frame, and on the inside here is our brand new die. So this die here is available. This is called the Cozy Mug Die. It's gorgeous. Designed by Stacy Tiedemann. We've got the sample on the back. Well, there's 2 samples on how you can put this together. You can use that peppermint as your O on the word cozy, or you can use the wrapper and create a little peppermint candy. There's an adorable spoon and a snowflake and a holly. And I'll show you the other card I made using this die. I think it turned out absolutely gorgeous. So I did use that word cozy. The spoon I die cut in a gold foiled paper. I used the peppermint on top of the spoon, the little holly in the corner. I tucked in the little snowflakes on my background. My background is embossed with a snowflake embossing folder. And then for this paper collection, I used the Lattes, Cocoa, and Cookies collection, which I'll share shortly. So here's another look at this card with the gnome. Super, super adorable. This one I tucked in the spoon in the top, and this one I have the spoon at the bottom. Now, if you didn't have gold foiled paper, you could always emboss your cardstock with maybe some gold embossing powder, or if you do foiling, you can also foil a nice color for your spoon. Let's take a look at the other stamp set. This one is called Holiday Cheer. You get this gorgeous mug with lots of whipped cream. There's some cinnamon sprinkles right there. You just stamp right on the whipped cream, a cinnamon stick, anise. We have a bow gorgeous sentiments, hot cocoa, cozy blankets, Christmas movies, nice large sentiments. You can color in the tree, the little cup in the present, and create a nice, quick and easy card. We've got comfy, cozy we are, holiday cheer, and hashtag pumpkin spice. And let me share the card I did with that. But there also is a die available, so it does cut out the inside of the mug handle and then the inside of this bow on the right hand side, and all the sentiments. The only thing it doesn't cut out is the cinnamon dusting. And here are a few cards from the design team. I love what Jackie did with this card. I love how she colored in the mug. Super gorgeous. Here's a beautiful card from Kathy. I love how she turned the spice anise to look like a poinsettia. So creative. And I love how Desiree stamped the sentiment holiday cheer right inside the mug and also used the coffee cup stencil for her background. And here is the card that I created. I love this holiday cheer sentiment with the little bauble hanging down. I also used the hashtag pumpkin spice, and I love how this card turned out with the touch of gold peeking in the background. I used the Lattes Cocoa and Cookies paper pad. I stamped the cinnamon sprinkles on my whipped cream 3 times. I also did some paper piecing on that mug. I used the gingham in the paper pad, added the cute bow to the front, and put the little spice anise to the side, and 3 cute sparkle enamel dots. Okay, so let's share this amazing die here. So we have a beautiful die. This is designed also by Stacy Tiedemann. It's called Emily's Alphabet. It also includes your numbers and your little punctuation marks. It has everything in here. If you want to do a first birthday, a second birthday, a third birthday, a fourth birthday, a fifth birthday, whatever birthday you want. We've got the little, we've got the ST, the RD, the TH, the ND. We've got the numbers. We've got a little pocket with stitching, a circle with stitching, and this little, almost looks like a sun. We've got the hashtag. We've got parentheses. This die has it all. You can run it through your die cutting machine with one pass. You don't need to cut any of this apart. This is what it'll look like running it through. So I would suggest not cutting it apart, running it through whatever color cardstock you want. I think that would be the easiest rather than cutting it all apart. Amazing die. You can see on the back. That's called Emily's Alphabet / numbers die. We also have a stencil, coffee cup stencil, also designed by Stacy Tiedemann. It's got steam coming out the top. It's a nice coffee cup background stencil. I also restocked the Holiday Icons stencil, so if you missed out on this stencil, it's now back in stock. All right, so let's get to the good stuff here. We've got the Brewing It Up collection. We've got the sparkle enamel dots that coordinate with both collections here. So these are going to match perfectly to either paper pad. So let's start with the Brewing It Up paper pad. All right, this is one of my favorite sheets. I love the look of this. It's got little ornaments with the word Xmas hanging down, and the background is like a whitewashed wood background. It's really pretty. We've got a faux glitter in an ombre, this really fun and playful pattern of peppermints. this cute row of gnomes. I'm going to pop in a photo here of a card that Julie did. And I also did a card using this. So what I did is just cut it. This is the Build Your Stash Holiday Card Maker Sketch Challenge number 38. So I used the sketch to create this super cute card, added a couple pieces of ephemera, and stamped the word Deck the Halls. That's a stamp set from our current box of the month. You can pick up the box of the month right now. The last day to get the current box of the month will be on the 31st. So here's a pretty green color. You get the same background, one's in a smaller print, one's in a larger print, and we have a green and white background. I love this one with the coffee cup and the cinnamon sticks and the peppermints popping out. Really cute. This one's got that cute gnome. Love that one. Here's a row of gnomes on that pretty wood grain background. A nice green and gold pattern. That one's really pretty with the trees, flecks of gold splattered on there. And then we will be repeating patterns. You get 4 of each. Let's take a look at the ephemera. So I do have free shipping over $75 for US orders, and also a free gift with 60s. Here's a few cards from the design team using the ephemera. I love Alicia's card here. It turned out super cute. She added the enamel dots. So I'm gonna show a few pictures as I lay out all the ephemera for you. I really love this one with the little gnome inside the snow globe. You've got a lot of cute little gnomes. You can have them holding like some coffee. There's some coffee cups in here if you want to add that. Like pop it up right there so it looks like he's drinking the coffee. There's little peppermints that I like to use these as little embellishments all over my card, kind of as like an enamel dots. And there's also these little oranges too that will make great embellishments. We've got some cinnamon sticks. Love this big candy cane. A large bell. There's a cute gnome holding a tree. There's some holly. Another candy cane. That one has a red bow. There's these larger peppermints. There's a couple of sentiments in here that say Xmas. And then we've got the one that says Brewing Up the Season. That's a cute one. And then your little coffee cups in different sizes there, and trees in different sizes. So super fun collection. Okay, so let's take a look at the Lattes, Cocoa, and Cookies paper pad. So we've got a blue color in here, which is really nice with this red and green. I really do like it. It's a nice navy blue. Love that pinstripe and gingham. We've got all the little coffee cups and like the little chocolate cookie things all on here. A nice scaled down size. Some tiny polka dots. We've got some Christmas lights. Here's a larger scale of the cups on a polka dot background. Love this one. It's like a cream with that dark red. Let's dive into the ephemera. Here's a few pictures from the design team. I love what Desiree did with the ephemera. So we've got some gorgeous colors, some yummy drinks, cupcakes, these little chocolates on a stick. There's little candy canes, decorated coffee drink. There's these cute little ladies in here drinking lattes. So we've got them in different sizes, different hair colors, different skin tones, different drinks. So you get a lot of ladies in here. This would be a great project if you wanted to do some work projects for the office or something. I wish they had some boys in this collection. But I guess the boys can get a latte drink, a coffee. But that would be really cute because there's a lot of those. We've got some string of lights. There's a cupcake. There's a little light decorated. That's a cute latte. There's some holly in here. And then I'm going to spread this all out. There's a lot of little peppermints that you could use to embellish your project with. So I'll spread this all out so you can see the full picture. Such a lovely collection. And here is the card that I created using the Lattes, Cocoa, and Cookie collection. I did add some Nouveau Crystal Glaze to the peppermints, just to have a little bit of shine on there. Tucked in a few enamel dots and stamped out Deck the Halls. Super fun. So I hope you guys enjoy the new release. All the links will be down below. Thank you so much for supporting my shop. I really do appreciate that. I hope you guys have fun. If you do any projects, please hashtag me at @NotTooShabbyShop. That way I can find your creations. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys!